So I built the MAZ 64422-08, which is another Russian truck, unlike from the Kamaz 5410 I give you the video. So we have no tilting cap in this model, but we need to wait to use it when it's delivered. So here's the fifth wheel, it's hooking up to a trailer. You can attach like this. I can build a container trailer. Well, it drives perfectly though. So you can touch the steering wheel and with the horn. Here's the front what it looks like. Here's the air intake. You can fold up or fold down. And some transport logistics. Chrome exhaust too. And that's the Maz truck and a container trailer. Now we review the next truck.